Good morning. Hi guys. I thought I would do a little bit of my favorite thing today, which is to go shopping. I'm standing here in one of my favorite Asian supermarkets. As you can see, I've got all these wonderful aisles behind me full of the most amazing products, but I thought I'd actually do a video because I often get asked the difference between Wakame and Kombu, and actually what is Wakame and what is Kombu. So I'm going to go over to the Japanese section. So that's the first thing you need to do. I'm going to turn the camera around. Where is it? Somehow, there it is. Okay, so I'm over here on the Japanese section of my Asian supermarket. So that's the first thing that you need to track down, is the Japanese section. And when you go into the Japanese section, you'll probably find that you come across little shelves of seaweed. That's nori up there as well. You can see those are nori sheets. And what you're actually looking for when it comes to Wakame is you are looking for this. Now this is pure dried seaweed. And I know it's pure dried seaweed or dried sea vegetable, because if I look on the back there, if you look at the ingredients, it just says dried seaweed Wakame. So if you're looking for Wakame, that's what it is basically dried seaweed. Nori, which is what we have here, which is sort of broken up nori sheets, has actually got other ingredients in there that you don't necessarily want to have in there. So when you are shopping for Wakame, go for straight seaweed, which is just literally, if you can have a closer look, that's just dried seaweed. That's what you want. No additional ingredients. But when it comes to Kombu, that's different again. Now Kombu, it is dried seaweed, and this is what it looks like up here. It is dried seaweed, but it comes in really large sheets. So that entire packet that I have there is actually a sheet of Kombu, and Kombu is used to flavour broths and soups and things like that. So it's different from Wakame in that Wakame is pre-ready to go. You can literally grind that up, throw that into your soups, onto your salads, all that sort of stuff, whereas Kombu needs a bit of work and it's used there as a flavouring agent. So when I make my dumplings and my soups, I use Kombu. So that's the difference. Kombu is, yes, seaweed, but it's a large piece of seaweed and it's used to flavour. That's why it's got that little pot on there, used to flavour soups and broths, whereas Wakame is smaller. It does come in large sheets as well, but this is quite a convenient form. And Wakame can go straight into your food, or you can throw it into a spice grinder and grind it up. Hope that's helpful. Bye guys.